What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, we got a lot to do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. So y'all remember the video that I did like a couple weeks ago when I was unboxing a whole bunch of stuff from SheIn, and I told you guys I was gonna do a separate video actually organizing everything? Well, this is that video. So basically this video is really going to be me kind of organizing everything that I got, because I've kind of like pushed it to the side and it's been in this box. I'm going to show you guys, but it's been in this little bin I have back here ever since that video. So yeah, we got to get it out of there. We got to get it organized. So I'm going to organize that, and then I'm going to use some of the things that I've bought, like little like organizing bin, to actually organize my lovely glitter drawer that I got right here. Y'all can't see it, but y'all gonna see it in a minute. This glitter drawer is so unorganized. If I wanted to, like, say if I wanted like a pink glitter, I would have to rummage through there to find just one specific color, and ain't no telling how long that's gonna take me, because I have a lot of glitters in there. So to cut all that out, I'm just gonna organize them by color, and I can do that with the supplies that I bought from SheIn. Okay, so just to give a little backstory, so over the past few months I've been doing a SheIn series where I buy things from SheIn and I just unbox them, use them in videos, and let you guys know whether it's worth it, whether it's not. You guys have been loving this series, so we're gonna just keep it going with a SheIn organizing video. So if you have not seen my other SheIn video, make sure you go watch that video if you would like. But I'm gonna kind of be going over some of the things that I purchased from that time. So if you want to keep watching, you keep watching. If you want to go and watch that first, you can go watch that first and come back. It's cool. That's why this series is available to you. So I'm still going to continue this series because I love doing it. Y'all love watching it. And also one of you guys mentioned in the comments on one of my videos probably a few weeks ago that I should do a video of rating the items that I've bought from SheIn, and I thought that was a great idea. So I'm also going to do a video like that very soon. I'm going to try to knock that out. So if you're down for a little nail organizing video, just keep on watching, and let's go ahead and do our post notification shout out. So these are the first 3 people to comment on my last video, so thank you guys so much for having your post notifications turned on. And if you like a shout out just like these 3 people here, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you can be one of the first 3 people to comment just like these 3 people, and you'll get a shout out in my very next video. I'm comfy today. I got my essentials fit on. This is one of my favorite sets. Like, it's just the color. I think it's the color, and I think it's the cut of the crop top, the way it kind of sits up like that. I like that. So make sure you check out essentials in the description down below, and it's good quality too, so make sure you check them out. All right, y'all, so let me kind of show you guys everything that I need to organize. So yeah, let me grab the camera. Okay, so right here, this is like where my grass wall is, behind my desk, behind my chair. I have, I call it a little bench because you can sit on it if you want to, but it's actually like a storage container, bin, whatever you want to call it. You can take this top piece off, and voila, you got all of your mess inside, but nobody ever knows it. So I kind of just store everything that I either don't have time to put up at the moment, or things that I don't have places for yet. Some of the things that I bought from SheIn are in here, and other things that I kind of don't have a place for yet are in here as well. So I want to go ahead and consolidate some of this stuff because I don't want it to pile up as I get new stuff in from other brands, because I have a collab coming up pretty soon and they're giving me a whole lot of stuff. So I'm going to tackle that, and then I got to show y'all my glitter drawer. All right, y'all, don't mind the floor because I got to vacuum, but this is the drawer that I'm talking about. I kind of got to organize that top drawer too, because the top drawer, let me show y'all. So my top drawer is where I keep all of my nail tips, and I mean, all of the nail tips are in its own little bin, so I mean, it is what it is. But the glitter drawer is what I kind of want to tackle. So I'm going to get to that, but I'm going to focus on this right here first. So first and foremost, y'all, don't judge my nails. We missing a few, but y'all already know how it goes when I'm in between content videos. So what we have going on here is, so these are a couple of items that I got from SheIn, and I purchased everything in this pink container before I purchased this nice little organizer. It has 3 different drawers and then little individual little squares that you can put all of your like rhinestones or whatever you want to put in here. And I kind of like this better than this pink organizer, simply because I could put more things in here and it'll just be better to have everything in one place. So I'm kind of just going to put everything that's in here in here. So the way I have this organized, I have the gold up top on the top drawer, and in the middle drawer I have silver. I'm just going to put everything that's not gold and silver down here. So I'm honestly about to buy some more rhinestones from SheIn just because they just have nice things for like a decent price. That's why I love SheIn so much. Everything that I wanted in here from this pink container is in here. I still have a few things that's still in here, but I didn't want it in there. I'll figure out another place to put those things. But I still have a few more items I want to put in here. So here you can see I have a lot of items in these little containers here. It's from the Model Ones advent calendar that I did for Christmas. And I haven't put them up yet, and I kind of want to, like I said, consolidate things. So I'm going to take them out of here and then put it in this little container here. And then I have some other things that I got from other kits here, and then I think I got this from SheIn as well. So, and then that'll make a little bit more room for myself in that area. It looks super short, and I kind of am, but let's just bring this down a little bit. All right, y'all, so I just put the drawer in. So if y'all remember, I bought a drawer from SheIn, and I told y'all I was gonna put it like on this shelf, and that's where it looks like we're gonna have it because I have nowhere else to put it. So if you see like right here, that's the bar that I was talking about that'll be in the way of the drawer opening. So I thought, why just not have it on the shelf? So that's where I have it. It's going to be right here, and you can just pull it out right there like that. And then it came with little adhesive sticky tabs that you could put on the drawer, and I just put 2 and they give you 3, and then I just stuck it up here, and it looks like it's on there pretty well. I don't know when I'm going to put in there yet. I have a good idea. I just really wanted to kind of install that so y'all can see how that kind of works. If I need extra space, what I'm probably going to do is like buy more shelves. I probably can fit like 2 more drawers. Well, not buy more shelves, but buy more drawers. And I probably could fit 2 more on one shelf. So yeah, that's the drawer. Y'all, I got a little hot, so I had to put my hair up in a little bun. But let's continue. So next, I want to talk about how I organize my glitter. So I got this from SheIn, this little organizer, and it basically it came separately. I have them stacked up now, but I bought them separately, and then I used some E6000 glue to kind of glue them on top of each other. So I have like little glitters, like individual glitters that I get from out of kits and different things like that I get in the mail, and they kind of was just thrown in my drawer, and I really wanted to kind of, number one, organize them by color and kind of get it out of that drawer so it can have its own individual place. So this is kind of where we're at now with this. So I used my label maker that I got from Amazon, and I labeled each drawer. So each drawer has its own color. We have black, silver, rose gold, all that good stuff. The only thing that I really didn't care too much for about this organizer is the fact that the drawers are very hard to open and close. You can get it open, but it's hard to like kind of close it back. You kind of gotta like beat it down to close it. And even then, like, I'm pressing like so hard. There we go. See, it's so difficult, and sometimes it's hard to pull it out too as well. So that's kind of like the only downside I have about it. Other than that, I like it. A-okay. For now, I'm just gonna put it on my shelf that I have back there, but I have an idea of where I want this to go, a nice spot for this, but I don't have like the thing that I want it on. It's I forgot what it's called, but the name will come to me as soon as I stop recording, I promise you. But I'm gonna buy something to kind of put it on, to kind of display it a little bit. I'll just show y'all later when I get it in. But yeah, so for now, this will go on the shelf. And yeah, so we got all of the glitters out of the drawer, thank goodness. So now let's move on to the next thing. Okay, quick little update. This fell. It's not really sticking up there. It's not staying. I'm honestly glad it fell while I'm recording, so I can show you guys that it's not really doing a very good job sticking. This is a wooden shelf, so it's not sticking very well. So I'm just going to use my other adhesive tape I already have to go ahead and put it under here. But I don't feel like this is going to work. Not with their little stickies. I mean, it was a good try. All right, so next we have this messy drawer, which was the whole reason why I wanted to do this organizing video, honestly, because the struggle has been real. I'm so sick and tired of trying to dig and dig for items that I should just go down there, grab, and go without a hassle. I basically just took everything out of the drawer and really spread it out on top of this table and kind of started from scratch. I wanted to kind of consolidate a lot of the things that were kind of like all over the place. I took one of the organizing trays or bins or whatever you want to call it from SheIn. I bought it from SheIn. That was from the last SheIn haul that I did. And I just took some items and put it in that tray. And then I bought some trays from Amazon a while back, and I had these trays for a while now, and they organized my drawers pretty well, so I kept those and I used that to put some of the things that I had in my drawer in there as well. And most of the glitters that I had in that drawer were those little small glitters that I put in my other container that I just talked about, but I still had bigger glitters that I cannot fit in that little organizing drawer thingy that I got from SheIn. And I had some glitters I got from Dollar Tree that I really wanted to mix together to kind of create my own like DIY glitter, which I end up doing, and it turned out pretty good. And which is why I bought those little kind of salt and pepper shakers from SheIn, and it worked out really well. So that's kind of like something fun and cheap you can do, even though Dollar Tree done went up 25 cents. But you know what, it's okay, that's what comes with inflation. But anywho, that's what I did with those glitters, and everything turned out pretty well, and I'm gonna put that in that drawer. Now I'm not sure if I want to keep the glitters, like the glitters that I made, in this drawer, because it takes up a lot of space, and I think I want to put some other things in that drawer. But until I get like another place to put them, that's where they're going to be. And now everything looks so much more organized. It's nothing that I have to dig through. All I have to do is look down there and pick it out without an issue. So I'm really happy with that, how that turned out. Just nice and neat, the way I like it. Hopefully it can stay that way, because if you're anything like me, when you're in the middle of doing a nail set, sometimes things get out of place. Okay, and then I had some red rhinestones. Now I bought these rhinestones from SheIn. Like, these rhinestones are a combination of rhinestones that I had from SheIn and Amazon, and I spilled them a long time ago. I was actually using the rhinestones to bedazzle some sneakers for one of my cousins, and I kind of accidentally dumped all of them out. Well, some of them, not all of them, and all the different sizes kind of got mixed in together, and it was just a big mess. So I kind of dumped everything in this little pouch that I had, and that big Humpty Dumpty pouch was taking up too much space, which is why I bought this SheIn organizer. And I'm just gonna put all of those rhinestones in the organizer, and I'm gonna separate them by size just like they were before I dumped them out all over the place. And yeah, I have it on my shelf now with all of my other rhinestones. And that was kind of like everything in a nutshell that I bought from SheIn from my last video. Really all the items that I showed in this video organizing wise, I found on SheIn or Amazon, mostly SheIn, because mostly everything is from that SheIn video that I did like a couple weeks ago. So if you're interested in some of the things that I showed, make sure you go check out that SheIn video, because I showed a whole lot of things. SheIn got a lot of stuff. So make sure you go check out ESNTLS. They're the makers of this lovely two-piece I have on today. So y'all already know Valentine's Day is coming up. So next week we're going to do a Valentine's Day set here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you're notified when that video comes up. And yeah, I feel like this video is going to be shorter than what I thought it was going to be. I thought this video was going to be a lot longer than this, which is kind of pissing me off. I don't like to give y'all short videos. I like to do at least 20 minutes. Hopefully this video reaches 20 minutes. If not, I'm sorry. But I'm going to start scheduling going live so I can really connect with you guys a lot more. And since I really don't post as much because I'm in school, I still want you guys to feel like I'm here, because I know sometimes I might go MIA, and if I do, it's because I'm up to here in freaking schoolwork. So I promise y'all I'm not ignoring y'all. I'm just trying to juggle everything and it gets hard at sometimes. So y'all let me know in the comments whether y'all would want to see me live on Instagram or TikTok. And another thing I wanted to bring to you guys' attention, I've been thinking about doing something special for all of my small businesses out there that follows me and supports me. I want to support you guys as well. I get a few small businesses that contact me through my business email, and they're asking, you know, hey, can I send you a couple free products and use it in your videos and whatever. Now, since this is all I do, this is the only thing that's bringing me income. So whenever I partner up with somebody, it has to be a sponsorship. It has to be for promo. You have to pay me, and that's just the business of it all. But I do understand some businesses, or especially small businesses, they just don't have the budget to pay creators, and which is 100% understandable, which is why I really want to get a PO box to give everybody a chance to send me things, and I'll pick one day out of every month to kind of do an unboxing video where I unbox all of the stuff I get in my PO box, to give like kind of a free promo to anybody who sends me things. Like, I want to support you guys just as much as you support me, because I know how it is. So definitely let me know if you'll be interested in that, because I'm thinking about going out and getting a PO box like right now. So I'm gonna let you guys tell me in the comments whether you will like that here, and I'm gonna ask you guys on my Instagram too. And if I get enough people that says yes, I would love to partner up with you that way, I would love to do that, then I'm gonna go get a PO box like this week, and we're gonna go ahead and get that started and rolling and set up. So yeah, I think that's all I had to talk to you about. I didn't mean to ramble. Thank you guys for watching if you watched this far, and I love you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next week.